Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, go into menu and tap on clock. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Now you can set up an hour and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Then click on alarm name, label your alarm however you need to, and save your changes by clicking Done on your keyboard. Now you can click on the switches next to alarm sound, vibration and snooze to turn off or on all of these options. Then click on alarm sound, tap on ringtone and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also click on this plus icon at the top right corner and add music from your device by clicking on the song and tapping Done at the top right corner. If you want to change volume of your alarm, just swipe left or right on the slider over here, then go back. Now click on vibrations and select one of the vibration patterns by clicking on the one that you like the best. Go back. Finally, you can click on snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're done, go back and click Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!